Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change font size on Google Chrome. To change font size on Google Chrome, first open your Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account. When you change font size on Google Chrome, only the font size of articles will be changed. Here I am opening a random article so that I can show you before the font size is changed. Here you can see the font size of the article. Now go back to the home page, then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on settings at down. With that, now scroll down and tap on accessibility. With now here you can see text scaling. Now here you can drag the scale bar. When you drag towards the right side, then your text size will get bigger. When you drag it towards left, then your text size will get smaller. After doing so, now go back to your home page of Google Chrome. Then I am going to open the same article again. Now here you can see the font size of the article has increased. This is how we can change font size on Google Chrome. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.